Hi y'all, good morning. Thanks so much for stopping by. I am super excited to share this video with you today because this is all about my first 2 months on YouTube, and I want to tell you all about it, so let's just get into it. I have made 16 videos and put 16 videos out, and I have had so much fun doing it. It was hard for me to get started making videos because I don't like the way I look on video and I don't like the way I sound. But it doesn't matter because I only have 7 subscribers, which y'all are awesome, all 7 of you. Thank you so much for subscribing. I'm pretty sure it's my couple of family members and a couple of friends that I've told about my YouTube channel. One of the very first things I learned on YouTube or about YouTube was that having good equipment really makes it much easier to make a video. So I did go out and invest in some equipment to get started. I haven't spent a ton of money because obviously, you know, I'm just getting started. I'm not even sure what I need and what I like, but I've watched a lot of YouTube channels about starting YouTube channels. After, you know, taking in so much information about starting a YouTube channel, I can figure out what'll work for me. But having good equipment has really made that easier. So I have invested in a microphone and some software and a couple of things that hopefully will help me do a better job on YouTube. So I'm looking forward to doing all of that. I think my biggest challenge around my YouTube channel is simply editing the videos. Y'all, editing is so flippin' hard for me. There's more art than science to it. Obviously, you can learn the software, you can learn the science behind it, but even knowing where to click and what the different functions do doesn't make you good at it. And that's the part I'm really struggling with. At one point, I even went as far as to start looking to hire an editor, which I decided just does not make any sense for me because I have 7 subscribers. I have 16 videos. I did not start this channel to make money, which is a good thing because I don't make money. I started this channel to share how a shift in my money mindset has really changed everything in my world and allowed me to leave my 9-to-5 job behind. And I'll link the video to that here so you can see more about why I started this channel. Another reason why I started the channel is because I have a good friend. He and his wife have a channel called No Time to Be Sad, and I'll put that up somewhere around here. But they started their channel about, I want to say it's just over 4 years ago, and their channel is all about traveling around the United States and then moving to Thailand. And they have so much fun making these videos and interacting with people on this channel. I've watched them do that for the last 4 years, and that's something that I didn't realize was going to be so fun for me. I mean, it always looked like so much fun for them, and I'm happy to say that it's just as much fun for me. I'm loving this. As I've told y'all before, I am a planning and organizing nerd. So when I decided to start a YouTube channel, of course, I had to build out a YouTube digital planner, a YouTube channel digital planner, and I love it. I enjoy that entire process of the planning, the videos and the organizing the thoughts and the SEO and everything you need to start and run a YouTube channel is there in my planner, and I'm super excited to get that cleaned up and get that to a point where I can share that with all of y'all as well, because that's the whole point of YouTube, right? Is to share everything that that you enjoy that makes your life better with everybody else, because maybe they'll enjoy it. Maybe it might make somebody else's life better too. Who knows? But that's something I am really excited about sharing. So if anybody else is a planning and organizing nerd out there like I am, please do hit that subscribe button because I've got a lot of stuff coming your way on that. So my biggest regret around having started this channel just 2 months ago is that I waited for so long. And the reason I waited for so long is because I hate the way I look on video and I hate the way I sound on video. I have a little bit of a lisp and I hate that. And seeing it and hearing yourself on video makes it so much more frustrating to be so aware of it. But it's there, and there's nothing I can do about that. It is what it is. I worked with a lady in the Midwest a few years ago. Her name is Lindsay. And Lindsay was super confident on video. Of course, Lindsay is young and beautiful and outgoing and has everything going for her. But she was so super confident on video, and that's something that I've always been so self-conscious about. So I asked her about it. And she told me that just about every single person she knows hates the way they look on video and hates the way they sound on video. And that it wasn't any different for her. And I was absolutely shocked. I was like, what do you mean? You're so great on video. And she said, because it doesn't matter. She finally realized that what she looks like on video doesn't matter. And what she sounds like on video doesn't matter. So what I look like doesn't matter. And what I sound like doesn't matter, because this is what I look like. And I'm living out here in the world looking like this and sounding like this. This is who I am. And she pointed out the fact that I am surrounded by people who know exactly what I look like and know exactly what I sound like and love me anyway and want to hang out with me anyway. And because of that, she said that none of us should be afraid or hold back being ourselves on video, because we already are who we are in the world in real life. And there's nothing wrong with you just the way you are, and there's nothing wrong with you being who you are on video, on YouTube, or anywhere else. So I doubt she even remembers me, but you know, Lindsay, if you ever see this for any kind of strange reason, just know I really appreciate that. It really had a big impact on me. And that's something I've always thought about. And my biggest regret is that I didn't act on those thoughts sooner. My biggest regret is that I waited until just 2 months ago to start this YouTube channel. So I wish I would have started years and years ago. I wish I was, 6 years in and not just 60 days in, but better late than never. Here we are. With all that being said, it just comes down to this. My first 2 months on YouTube have been an absolute blast. Even though the editing part is frustrating. Like, if you have any tips on editing, please do drop down in the comments below and tell me how to make my editing better. I'm trying, but I want to hear all your advice. I probably need even more advice and more feedback than I even want to admit. I'm really looking forward to sharing so much more with y'all. So something I say on my channel all the time is that I hope you subscribe and come along with me to learn how I built the life that I want to live rather than settling for the life that I thought I had to live. I am so happy just living in the world of abundance that is out there and available to all of us. I want to share it with all of you, and it's life-changing. It's been just an absolute game changer for me, and maybe it could be for you. Who knows? But anyway, do hit that subscribe button, ring the bell so you can be notified of all the new videos coming your way, and until next time, bye y'all.